are going to prepare an all-time favorite evening snack which is loved by all. It is a snack which you can have with coffee or tea, especially in the evening times. So without wasting any time, let us move into the video. The ingredients are basin 1 cup, salt, 2 green chilies, 2 onions and few curry leaves. First you have to slice onions. So here we have used 2 medium-sized onions. You can take onions as per your requirement. You should slice it thin. Thinly sliced onions is very good. It gives good taste to pakodas. This recipe is an easy recipe and which you can prepare within 10 to 15 minutes. You can prepare this in the ingredients available in your kitchen. This can be especially prepared during the evening times. You can have it with coffee or tea. It is very good to have it in rainy season. Next you have to chop green chilies. Here we have used 2 green chilies. If you like more spiciness, you can use 3 to 4 green chilies. Green chilies give more taste to the pakodas. Now take few curry leaves and chop it nicely. Curry leaves are good for health and it gives good aroma in the kitchen. Now transfer all the chopped ingredients to a bowl. Add salt as per your taste and add little basin and mix it well. After mixing it well, add the remaining basin and add little water and mix it well. After you finish preparing this, now in a pan add oil. Here we have used coconut oil because coconut oil gives more taste to the pakodas. You can use any vegetable oil. After the oil is heated up, take little quantity of pakodas and add it to the frying pan. Fry it in medium flame so that it doesn't get burnt. When any guests have arrived to your homes and you don't have anything to serve them with tea or coffee, you can prepare this easy recipe and you can serve them. Fry this till golden brown. This is a healthy recipe. Instead of eating junk food, you can prepare nice recipes like these and you can have it. Do try this recipe and share your comments. Share this recipe with your friends. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it yet. Hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when our new videos are uploaded. Flip the pakodas over and fry it till golden brown. You can have these pakodas with coconut chutney or mint chutney or any sauce, but even you can have it as it is. It is a very tasty recipe. Do try it. If you have any suggestions, you can put it in the comment box, and if you all want us to try new recipes, you can let us know. Fry the pakodas till golden brown. If you feel like eating something hot during rainy season, you can try this easy recipe and you can have it with hot tea and coffee and you can enjoy your evening. Now the pakodas are fried. transfer it to a plate with tissue paper. Tissue paper will help to absorb all the excess oil. Fry the remaining pakodas in the same way. Remember to fry the pakodas in medium flame. Now the garam pakodas are ready. Serve it with your favorite chutney or sauce and enjoy our evening. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.